This video explains how to buy shares of ENN Energy Holdings Ltd. ENN Energy is a city gas distribution and clean energy services company listed on HKEX under the ticker 02688 HK. This is educational content, not investment advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker 02688 HK to locate the listing. Make sure you select the ENN Energy Holdings Ltd. entry on HKEX so you pick the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Double-check the company name, exchange HKEX, and ticker 02688 HK to confirm it is the right security. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the description.